Hi, welcome back to the channel. I have this expression that can help us see how much of sorts you can remember. I'll be glad you pause this video, take a look at this expression, and come back to see my solution. Hi, welcome back. Now, our question says we have 3 root 45 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 root 20. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to break down this expression as much as possible. If you look at 45, 45 is a multiple of 9 and 5. Now, if you look here, I have 5. 5 is a multiple of 5 and 1. And if you look here also, I have 20. 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Now, I can begin to break down my expression. This is 3. The root of 45, I can write this as 3 times 3, that is 9, times 5, minus 12. Now, I simply have the root of 5. I can't break that any further. Plus 16. The root of 20, I can write that as 2 times 2, which is 4 times 5. Now, this is 3 here. I can leave 5. Then I have 2. This is 2. This expression now becomes 3 times 3. I'm bringing this 3 outside. Now, multiplied by the root of what? 5 minus 12, the root of 5. Now, I have 2. That will be plus 16 times 2. Now, the root of 5. 3 times 3, that's 9. This is 9 root 5 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 times 2, that's 32. 32 root 5. Now, this is 9 root 5 minus 12 root 5. That's minus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5 plus 32 root 5. That will be the same thing as 29 root 5. So I can leave my expression as 29 root 5. Will this help you understand how I went about solving this question on Surds? And you can look at our description below for our comprehensive lessons on Surds. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.